Imagine turning a one-line idea into a cinematic short film without a studio, without a crew, and without juggling 10 different AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how I go from a simple idea to a fully edited cinematic video using Flova AI, the world's first all-in-one AI video agent. I'll walk you through the complete workflow from story and storyboard to shots, music, and final export. And then I'll show you how you can get free credits to start creating your own videos. So, what exactly is Flova? Flova is an AI video agent that works like a complete mini studio inside your browser. Instead of generating just one random video from a single prompt, it breaks the entire filmmaking process into professional stages: story outline, script, visual planning, storyboard, shot control, and even background music. You communicate with Flova using natural language, and it responds like a creative partner, proposing ideas, refining shots, and helping turn rough thoughts into a structured cinematic piece. The biggest difference is control. At every stage, you can review, adjust, and overwrite the agent's decisions. Just like directing a real production team, under the hood, Flova connects some of the most advanced AI models available today. For visuals and video, you can choose from Sora 2, VEO 3, and Nano Banana 2 along with Seedance, Kling, VEO 3.1, Huan 2.5, Midjourney V7, and GPT Image 1. Each useful for different styles and creative needs. For sound, Flova integrates Suno for cinematic background music and 11 Labs for realistic voiceovers and character voices. The key advantage is that everything happens inside one unified workflow. You're not jumping between websites or manually stitching assets together. You can mix and match these models seamlessly inside Flova. Starting a project is simple. I create a new project and type in a basic idea. Something like a lone space explorer discovers a hidden forest growing inside an abandoned spaceship. Flova immediately gives me two strong foundations. The first is a creative brief, which helps shape a professional-style script and story structure. The second is a visual generation path, which plans how different models will be used to generate images, videos, and audio for the project. If I already have a complete script, I can paste it directly into Flova. The agent understands the structure accurately, and with help from models like Gemini, can refine pacing, clarity, and tone while respecting my original story. Within minutes, I have something that feels like real pre-production. Not just a prompt, but a plan. From there, Flova turns the script into a storyboard. The agent breaks the story into shots and suggests cinematic camera types like wide shots, medium shots, and close-ups. So the final video feels intentional instead of random. Every shot is fully editable. I can change the mood, lighting, character design, environment, or camera direction until it matches my vision. Flova also has a like and more like this system. When I mark an image I like, the agent uses it as a reference going forward. This helps maintain character consistency, visual style, and tone throughout the entire project. I can also reference specific assets like a key character image or a location and reuse them anywhere in the storyboard, keeping everything visually coherent. What really sets Flova apart is how it supports real creative workflows. If I want speed, I can tell the agent to generate all images, videos, and music in one go and assemble a rough cut automatically. Flova handles this as an intelligent multi-step process instead of isolated generations. If inspiration strikes mid-project, I can use the branch feature to start a new version from any point, keeping the same characters, world, and style, but exploring a new direction without starting from scratch. There's also a back to this moment option. With one click, I can roll back to a specific point and remove everything that came after it. This is incredibly useful when experimenting or when the agent drifts away from the intended direction. Flova even supports parallel generation. While the agent is generating content on one side, I can continue adjusting prompts and planning on the other. And if something doesn't look right, I can interrupt the AI instantly, update my instructions, and rerun the process. For advanced creators, Flova offers deep control over consistency and cinematic quality. You can upload detailed character reference sheets, full body designs, facial expressions, clothing, accessories, and props using models like Nano Banana Pro. Flova learns these details and keeps characters consistent across every shot and camera angle. You can also define intelligent start and end frames, using the last frame of one shot as the first frame of the next. This creates smoother transitions and makes multi-shot scenes feel like a single continuous moment. If you want maximum speed, you can ask Flova to generate all intermediate assets, images, video, and music, and assemble everything automatically into a rough cut that you refine later. There are also advanced reference workflows where you annotate storyboard images with notes about framing, emotion, and action. These references can then guide models like VEO3 or Sora 2 to generate high-quality, tightly aligned video. Flova also helps you think like a cinematographer. You can generate a cinematic contact sheet, 9 shots of the same subject in the same environment covering angles like extreme long shot, medium shot, close-up, low angle, and high angle. The subject stays consistent while the camera language changes. This is incredibly useful for dramatic scenes, hero shots, or product storytelling. From there, Flova can break scenes into multiple shots, insert new shots before or after specific moments, and expand key story beats into full sequences. Once everything is ready, the project comes together on Flova's timeline. You get a multi-track composite with video, background music from Suno, and voice tracks from 11 Labs. You can adjust timing, clip speed, and audio levels to create a clean, polished edit. You can download individual assets if needed, or export the entire project as a file compatible with professional tools like Premiere Pro and Final Cut. You can even import the exported project into editors like CapCut, opening your AI-generated film as a fully structured timeline ready for final polish. If you're working on a series, Flova makes multi-episode creation easy. Start new project from here. Lets you keep your characters, world building, and style while beginning a fresh episode. Return to this moment. Lets you cleanly roll back when experiments don't work. Together, these tools make iterative storytelling much faster and more flexible. If you're serious about storytelling, brand videos, or cinematic shorts, Flova offers something rare: the speed of AI combined with the control of a professional production workflow. If you want to try it, check the link in the description or pinned comment. Using that link, you can get 1,000 credits to start, 500 plus another $500 for the first 500 users. You can also claim 500 credits every week just by logging in and earn extra credits by inviting friends. Flova isn't just an AI tool. It's a creative partner for filmmakers, creators, and storytellers.